Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Last week, I gave an update on the Haitian crisis and the role with Jamaica. Supposedly, I go play night. No, it's a long time I talk about this, so I'm not going to stop talking about it. By now, we should figure out, I'm the type when time get locked in on something, we stay locked in. The Kenyan government block the Kenyan quote-unquote troops from deploying because them say our country not set up for going away. For do nothing like this. We will also talk about the narratives and what claims are the justification for this operation. Help secure Haitian borders so that the guns don't come across and all that. I'm going to tell them why that unicorn need. Because if Jamaica really want to run in our country to stop flow of guns, then I bet they run go Uncle Sam. Because there's some most I gun them are coming from. Before we go into that, our patron birthday shout out. This one goes out to Shareem. Today birthday. Don't know this one is coming from your mother. You don't know. Mama says she love you and rate you. She tell me say the university I study right now. So if you a big title. Nothing wrong with that as long as you remember say end of the day the big title is just to get through the door. After that competency is proven. Nobody thinks I'm a fight against nobody and them title and them qualifications. My problem is that in Jamaican culture people achieve the title and then stop the sucker. Them things that the title do it. No, the title is just that you go through the door. And now you start show what go on in the real world. So Shari, remember that. Big up yourself and big up mama too. All the way and I send kids. So mama, big up yourself. Shari, big up. But we get back to the video now. Kenya blocked its government from sending the troops them. Because the Kenyans themselves, when them look on them laws and how them set up, them have no enough of them laws where say Kenyan troops can't go nowhere good enough foolishness like this. The only way something like this can go on is some kind of special bilateral treaty gets signed. So the Kenyan government is so motivated to go. That's them say, alright, see the now, go sign the agreement. So them and the Prime Minister at the time, Ariel Henry, signed documents, see documents and all. So now them go back to the Kenyan courts them to say, see the documents signed, now they can go. So let's see if the Kenyan courts agree so this is enough. But I find it really interesting that Kenya is so motivated to go. That's them even willing to go sign special treaty and a special agreement and so it's alright. I feel them business. But the same man who signed the agreement, Prime Minister Henry, I'm not talking about the baller. Him now resign. So what this mean for Kenya? What this mean for the operation? The man who signed the agreement and say, yeah, come work with me, we're going to do this. Him now resign, so what going to happen now? Or I'm saying I'm going to resign it done. So, say next man we're going to get film job. I go want the troops them deployed. This is turning into a giant pit toilet, This is turning into a giant frenzy pit toilet, I don't know where Prime Minister Umbre depend, I don't know where Jamaica have to do with this, Haiti is a very complicated country. Furthermore, it then get revealed that Kenya wasn't sending 1,000 soldiers. They were going to send 1,000 police. 1,000 police. 1,000 police. Yeah, they get in their rear ends kicked for sure. Police officers are not set up and trained for deploy gun away. And that's how it work. That's not how police forces work. Me think so the Kenyan army I go. The Kenyan police. Police have to go somewhere. Set up somewhere. Get one station. Start get a local into. That's how police work. Police have the ability to arrest and all them things there. Carry before the courts. How is that going to work when time the police officer involved is a foreigner who probably don't even have authority to carry a gun in front of a court? Can foreign troops carry local people before courts? Can a Kenyan police officer carry a Haitian before a court? Can a Jamaica... See, this is turning into a pit toilet. The man who signed the agreement Days after, I say, I'm going to step down. So what got me now? 1,000 police. Prime Minister Andrew Holness need to remove Jamaica from this madness. I understand they go look away because they don't make some big talk and then know if you're backward they go look away. Well, time heal all wounds. So he will get over it. Jamaica will get over it. Matter of fact, I've actually written a statement where the Prime Minister of Jamaica can actually read this statement to the Haitian people and to the world. Right, forget Jamaica out of this. Can you say, just like when they write the statement from the carry go, attend Downing Street, if you can apologize to the daddy and go back on them rule, I write one for Umbre. I go tell you the statement further on in the video. But when I understand say the Haitian situation is very complicated. There are forces at play, so some very dark, spooky forces. It's bigger now, man. But another time say I rate Haiti. The history of Haiti, history of the Haitian people is legendary. Big up Haiti, but I don't check for Haiti that much to send Jamaican troops to them slaughter over it. It's called the Jamaica Defense Force, not Jamaica and Haiti Defense Force. Deploying to a foreign country, setting up shop, maintaining logistical support, while carrying out operations. I don't know, boy thing, you know. Tell them so now I watch too much show. When I watch too much show on nearboat, Uncle Sam did this on nearboat, I'm thinking so I saw it go. I see them say Bahamas I send 150 troops. Bahamas I send. I'm sure the Haitians are shaking in their boots right now. I'm sure the Haitians, when the Haitians them hear that, they're like, oh Lord, we need to put down the water gun then because Bahamas are come. Haitian gangs are losing sleep right now. The Haitian Dan, man they call barbecue, right now in probably, right, in belly I kill him right now, in belly I cut him. In catch all gas in him knee right now when he may say Bahamas are come. Bahamas. Bahamas are sending 150 troops. You can't make this up. 150? Send the whole of them. Bahamas, don't stop at 150. Send everything you have. Let's see the outcome. The argument that Bahamas, the argument that Jamaica, right, should play a role in this because enough guns coming from Haiti, so when Jamaica go to Jamaica going to help secure the Haitian border so as the guns can't come through. That's how I know say when I snap that coke on the side. Right, that's how I know say when I put lizard tail now on the spliff. That's how I know say when I dip on the fentanyl. Secure Haitian borders. Jamaica can't secure its own borders. Bahamas can't secure it. Check the history of diet coke smuggling and all these things. Bahamas has been an international transshipment point from Wapikil fill up. Bahamas can't secure nothing in the Bahamas. They're going to secure Haitian borders. Do you know how big Haiti is? You can last Jamaica in a Haiti. You can take up Jamaica and drop it in a Haiti and last it. You ever look on a map of the world? And you see like some big pieces of land and there's like some dots. Jamaica when I dot them. You can kinda make out Haiti. JDF, the whole JDF can secure Haitian borders. Jamaica is over 4,000 square miles. Haiti is almost 11,000 square miles. As me say, you can take up Jamaica and drop it in a Haiti and last it. The idea say 150 troops from Bahamas, who knows how much from JDF, I got secure Haitian borders so guns can't go across. That's the unicorn meat. It's not that they won't want to do it, it's that they can't do it. Cannot. The 1,000 troops from Kenyan send can't do it either. While simultaneously battling gangs on the ground, so them go battle the gangs them and take back turf while securing borders so guns can't go through. Or are you saying they're going to lock down or when them get rid of all the gangs them now then they go. Anyway, look on it don't make sense. Unicorn meat. Bahamas, you know. I could just deploy 150 troops and just start kick down Haitian gangs all over the place. This is ridiculous. I'm not saying Bahamas soldiers them are good. I'm not saying Bahamas don't have the personnel with are trained. I'm not saying that. I'm saying they're physically not able to do it. It's not enough for them. They do not have the manpower. Manpower matters. Equipment matters. Being able to support a large force for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and then a boy thing. It make countries far bigger and richer. Pack it up and call it a day. You know, I watch too much gun show, you know. And if Jamaica really want to deploy troops, if they say they want to stop gun and so the real reason because they want to stop guns and come there, then better than send troops to America then. Because they say boasting on them and come from. The real boasting machine them. Uncle Sam place they come from. Even the guns them go Haiti and then reach a Jamaica, them they start off in a Uncle Sam place too. The guns them left from Haiti, go Jamaica, started off life right, in a Uncle Sam place too. So if you really want to stop guns so much, America will plan the operation for. That now go happen. So if Uncle Sam go tell us say them cannot stop people from illegally smuggling out this and smuggle to Uncle Sam place. That fit them place and them have all these resources. You think say Jamaica and Bahamas and Kenya will go here to go set up something we can stop. Look like say an umbrella alone has started that we not started too. We all not started. It's a diet coke crisis. I prepared a statement. We wanna read to the world, read to CARICOM, read to Haiti, to get us out of this. Umbrella, you listening? The statement reads as follows. Dear Haiti, CARICOM, Uncle Sam, and the world. Me did I go forward upon the operation, but my belly start hurt me. Me go on food shop, buy a food, and it look like say the place was unsanitary. Now my belly hurt me. Me take some washout feet, and all the washout lick my chip. I am stuck on the toilet seat. Sorry I can't make it. You're chargy, hombre. That's the statement, Prime Minister Andrew Wallace. Drop the statement by a morning. Let's move on. We can't help Haiti. When you look at what the Haitians them say, the Haitians them would they pan the ground. Right? But not talk about no them granny born in Haiti, so them say them are Haitian. But not talk about them. Not talk about Haitians pan the ground. Haitians who just run way gone. All of them say the same thing. The situation is disastrous, it don't look good. But we don't like the idea of foreign people that walk around Haiti because history has taught us every time that happens, disaster strike. People are burn out Uncle Sam, them are burn out this. The last thing Jamaica wants is to be added to the Haitian burn out list. The last thing Jamaica wants is to be seen as co-conspirators in whatever spooky operation are going on in Haiti. Big up Haiti, big up Haitians. I wish them the best. But we can't help Haiti. We don't have the resources and we don't have the lives to spare. If Jamaica Defense Force personnel are to die, they should die for Jamaican affairs. They should die for Jamaica. Not fighting some spooky war where nobody can fully explain what's going on. Or just be a story. And theory. Not upon that. From day one I have told you I am 100% against this. If things go down and things go bad, you see what enough people do now, them wait it out and then them jump back on whichever side win. Whichever side look at them say, yeah man, over your side thing there. May not depend that. May I state my case from early. I am 100% against JDF going to Haiti. Or JCF. 100%. So now we clear on that. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.